Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Roblox Xbox theme on piano. First, we will identify the key melody, breaking it down into manageable parts. You will learn the specific notes for both hands, starting with the right hand tune. This approach makes learning simple, even if you are new to the piano. We aim for a clear, playable version by the end. Let's begin by focusing on the core melody. The song starts on E-flat, using your second finger, then moves to F with your third, and then G with your fourth finger. From there, you play F again, followed by E-flat. This short phrase forms the foundation of the entire theme, so practicing it slowly is crucial. Pay close attention to the smooth transitions between these notes. For the right hand, position your thumb or first finger on middle C. We will primarily use notes from the C minor scale. Play E-flat with your second finger, F with your third, G with your fourth, then back to F with your third, and finally E-flat with your second. This consistent fingering helps build muscle memory and ensures a fluid sound. Repeat this pattern several times until it feels natural. Now, let's add a basic left-hand accompaniment. While your right hand plays the melody, your left hand can play a single low C note with your fifth finger. This provides a simple, grounding bass. You will hold this C for 4 beats, creating a full and balanced sound. This uncomplicated approach allows you to focus on synchronizing both hands without overwhelming difficulty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.